Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Today we have a 2015 Corvette Stingray 2LT Z51 in Crystal Claret Tintcoat with black wheels. It is a 7-speed manual transmission, and we'll start here at the rear of the car. So I got the trunk lid open here, as you can see how clean and tidy the trunk lid is here. It has a red painted top to match the exterior. I have the top in here. The top is carbon fiber. Got it locked in here. As you can see, it has carpeted mat back here, nice and clean. We have a compartment down here, so you can still fit quite a bit of stuff in here. Go ahead and close the trunk here, so you can see the quality of the shine on this paint is just phenomenal. Just a beautiful color. So we have a stage 2 rear spoiler on it in carbon flash. You can see there, gives it a real aggressive look. The carbon flash diffuser and NPP exhaust, so you can change the exhaust note on this car. Looks nice and aggressive. So we'll start back here in the passenger rear wheel. It has Z51, so you got the Z51 brakes, the red brake calipers, the Z51 black split wheels, and the Michelin tires. Looks like they're in great shape. Front tire, same idea. You got larger brakes in the front, nice red calipers, same tires. They are a different size. They are 19 in the front and 20 in the rear. Come to the passenger door panel here. This car has black and titanium interior. So you can see it's got the stitching on the door here. You got your Bose sound system, your power door locks, power door release, and your power windows. We'll scan into the dash here. So it has dual climate control, heated and ventilated seats, as you can see for the passenger over here. And you can see how clean the dash is. Go ahead and open this. So you got your owner's manuals in here. Show you the door jambs. Look how clean that is. Your skid plate looks very good. And your rest of your door jamb here. Here's your carpeted, so it's titanium like I said. It's got power seats here for the passenger as well. And here's the condition of the seat. Looks phenomenal. Looks like a brand new seat. It's got a nice chrome Corvette badge in the seat there. Very nice seats. Let's close the door here. I'll show you the profile of the wing here. So it's a stage 2 wing, so it's a little bit higher. It gives it more aggressive look to it. And just give you the profile here. It's got the carbon flash vents. I got the top off, so it looks, you can see the seats. It's got the body colored mirrors, and then here's your skirts down here in carbon flash. It gives it more of a flare, give it a wide body stance. It's got chrome badges on it and the carbon flash vent there. Here's your high intensity headlights. Down here we have these stage 2 spoiler for the front with the little triangles. Looks really cool. Paint on this car is just phenomenal. Have I said that already? As for marks, there might be a little groove. Nothing really to pick at there. Looks like there is a little touch-up spot there. Otherwise, this car is just beautiful. There's your headlight. For the engine bay, we have a 6.2 liter V8 making 460 horsepower. Nice clean engine bay. And then here's your hood liner with the Corvette and Boss logo, nice and clean. Go ahead and close this hood. You can just see the shine on this hood. And it's got the carbon flash vent on the hood. Just a great looking car overall. Here's your front wheel. Brakes look like brand new. No curb rash on any of the tires. Here's your rear wheel. With the Z51 package, you get the performance brakes, the performance suspension, the NPP exhaust, performance rear axle, electronic slip differential, rear spoiler, front splitter, and heavy duty cooling with wider tires. So it's a nice package for performance. Here's your driver door panel. As you can see, it has memory seats for the driver, your Bose sound speaker system there, your power windows, and your power door locks is above the seats, and your electronic door release. Very nice. Here's your door jambs, nice and clean, very tidy. Here's your skid plate. There's a little bit of scratch here, but not bad. You can see the skirts stick out underneath. Looks really cool. Just gotta watch it when you get in and out of the car so you don't scratch it. But well worth the look of the car. Here's your dash. As you can see, it's got the heads-up display there. Very clean. Come down here, show you the pedals and the carpet. Very nice. It's got the power seats for the driver, so power bolster, power lumbar. And here's a condition of seat. Just looks like brand new. Very nice. Okay, I'll go ahead and shut the door here. Before I do that, I'll show you the, this is the dimming lights for the dash. Here's your power mirrors, your heads-up display, so you can move it up and down. You can change the information, and you can also change the brightness of it. Down here we have the trunk release, and then that off button, that's the proximity sensor for your theft deterrent system. We have power tilt and telescopic wheel. Over here we have your cruise control settings. On the wheel we have your favorites, so up and down arrow keys for your stereo, and then your volume controls for your stereo. Above there we have your Bluetooth, and then we have the arrow keys for your digital dash. Over here we have the headlights on that switch there. We have a rev match and a rev match on this side, and this side we have the wipers. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start up the car. It's a push button start. Show you the dash here. So this car only has 8,425 kilometers on it for 2015. Very low kilometer car, very clean car. It has the light sensitive mirror here. Being a 2LT, you get the universal garage door opener. We have your nice vents here. We have an 80-inch touchscreen. This button here pushes the screen down. You have a storage compartment here. You can put your phone, whatever you want. There's also a auxiliary USB key back there. Open this back up here. So you have your audio controls, you have your phone controls. It has OnStar navigation by subscription, and it has your settings here. So if you hit settings, you can change your exhaust note. Let's go to drive mode here. Engine sound management, and put in stealth here. That quiets it down. Go back to track. That opens the valves up, makes the exhaust nice and loud. You can also change the steering feel if you want sport, tour, track, depending on what you want to do for your driving. Over here we have your keys for your radio. Here we have the dual zone climate control, so you can change the temperature. And then over there, it'll show you your passenger, your fan speeds over here. And then we have all your controls for your heated seats, your air conditioning, your ventilated seats. Below that we have a nice Corvette Stringray placard. And we have a 7-speed manual transmission, as you can see here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in reverse here for you. Show you it has a backup camera. Over here we have a 12-volt socket. Here we have a cup holder, driver, passenger. And then here we have the mode selection, so you can change the feel of the suspension from tour to sport, depending on what you want to do. We got the nice console here. It's in the titanium color. Here's the depth of it, so you can see by the looks of my hand. We have a 12-volt socket here, auxiliary, USB, and SD card slot. Okay, open the door here. Let me give it a couple of revs for you guys. Sounds great. Okay, let's get out of here and close the door. I'm going to show you what the headlights look like on this car. Looks looks nice and great. And those seats just stand out in this color with the roof off. All right, let's go down here and look at the quality of the paint. Again, there's not much imperfections in this paint. It just shines like a mirror. As you can see, there's your gas cap, carbon flash vents there. We'll come to the rear. There's your LED taillights on. There's your NPP exhaust. It's got the nice trumpeted tips. And there's the rumble exhaust. Okay, this is a 2015 Corvette Stringray Coupe, 2LT Z51 and Tintcoat, Crystal Claret Tintcoat, sorry, with a 7-speed manual transmission. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.